Okay, let's be honest. You've probably seen a million videos claiming to help you make passive income while you sleep. And let me guess, they all say the same thing. Start a blog, invest in stocks, write an ebook. Boring. But today we're doing something different. We're using AI. That's right. Artificial intelligence is changing the way people make money, and it's happening fast. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can AI really make me money? Short answer, yes. Long answer, absolutely. But only if you know the right strategies. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. 5 AI-powered passive income streams that actually work. Let's get started. Before we jump into the money-making machine, let's break it down. Why is AI perfect for passive income? AI automates repetitive tasks, so you don't have to. AI creates content, blogs, videos, even music, faster than humans. AI runs businesses 24/7 while you sleep. Elon Musk says AI is not just the future, it's already reshaping how we work and earn. Think about it. Would you rather work 10 hours a day or set up an AI system that works 24/7 for you? Exactly. Number 1, AI-generated blogs that earn money on autopilot blogging is one of the oldest passive income strategies. But let's be honest, it's time-consuming. Writing, SEO, publishing, UGH. That's where AI comes in. How to do it? Pick a niche with high traffic and low competition. Use AI to generate articles. ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy.ai. Monetize with ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Imagine making money every time someone reads an article you didn't even write yourself. Crazy, right? Neil Patel says, AI-generated blogs can rank just as well as human-written ones if optimized correctly. The key is consistency and keyword research. Number 2, AI YouTube automation. No face, no talking. Want to start a YouTube channel but hate being on camera? No problem. AI can literally do everything for you. How to do it? 1 AI writes the script, ChatGPT. 2 AI generates the voiceover, 11 Labs, Murph AI. 3 AI creates video content, Pictory, Synthesia. 4 AI makes thumbnails and subtitles, Canva, Capwing. Mr. Beast says, you don't need a face to be successful on YouTube. What you need is engaging, valuable content, and AI can help you scale that faster. Number 3, AI-generated digital products. Sell once, earn forever. One of the easiest ways to make passive income is by selling AI-generated digital products. How to do it? Use AI to generate art, ebooks, stock images, or templates. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market. Automate the sales process, so it sells while you sleep. Case studies. AI-powered blogs making $5,000 plus monthly. AI YouTube channels generating 100,000 plus subscribers. AI-generated artwork selling for thousands. AI isn't magic, it's just a tool. But if you use it right, it can change your life. If you want more AI money-making strategies, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and comment below. Which AI passive income idea are you most excited to try?